Hey guys. Oh, why did I come like this? Oh shit. Let's see who I have here. My face is looking. Why is my eye looking this way? Oh man. Let's see who comes here first. Come. Let's talk about what is happening. Let's talk about what is happening. The time is still young. Hello. Let's see who's gonna come here first. I don't even know what to. Okay, one person is here. Hi. I'm clearing my voice. Hello. What's up? Please let me know your name and where you are viewing from, watching. What are your thoughts? You guys are gone because the network is kind of bad. Or should I say I wasn't really organized today, but this thing came on and I decided to come. So we will all share our thoughts. My hair is not looking nice at all. It's not looking good at all. That's why I'm covering it a bit. Yeah. So I guess you've seen the topic. Yes, the title of this very video. So I want to ask, but before we go ahead, you tell me your name and where you are watching from. Then we get into work. Yeah, and you tell me your thoughts. And if you've not watched the video, go on my channel right now, watch the video. Yes, I want to know what you think about the abolition of the EZE in the Igbo. Yeah, that man that was claiming to be a king, an Igbo king in Ghana. So they rejected him all over. Which is that I think the video is on my channel right now. I'm not thinking. The video is on my channel. So if you've not watched, go directly right now. Go and watch the video, then come back. Let's discuss about it. Yeah. So now the man is no more a king. It's normal again. Aside that, they even took the EZE in the Igbo. All those people, those leaders that are, should I say, those Igbos that are being given the title EZE in the Igbo, they've taken that title away from each and every one of them. Right now, what is happening is that they give them a new name. I'm not really good at all those, calling those names and all. But if you want to know more, yeah, you should go on my channel right now. The last video I posted, yeah, watch it, then come back, let's discuss. Or maybe just, if you are joining for the very first time, tell me your name and where you are. Just trying to make it look, my hair is looking kind of weird, so I have to cover up. So what we are discussing here is about that very man who called himself Igbo King in Ghana. Are you aware that that name Eze in the Igbo has been taken away from him? Not just him only, but all those people that were given the title, yeah, leaders of Igbos in the diaspora. Yes, they've abolished all those things, that name, and they were given a new name. So that's why I'm here, so we can have a conversation. Let me know how. I know, of course, Ghanaian youth are happy. It seems like it was disappointing. Yeah, it feels like it was disappointing that the protest did not take place. But as we are planning our own, God is also planning His. So everything happened for a reason. This is a typical example of it, and I'm very glad that even Ghanaians, yeah, they didn't come out to protest. So many of Igbos were out, we were talking, saying a lot of stuff that the protest did not hold. Ghanaians are weak, they are this, they are that, they talk and they don't do it. So God not show up for Ghanaian youth and Ghana at large. They took away their titleship from him. That name is EZE in Diaspora. I don't even know how to call it the name. That's not my business. So they took away that title, not just from him, but all the those people that were being given the title EZE in Diaspora. So they gave them another, I think something EZE. I don't know. I don't know. So if you want to know more, go on my channel right now and watch the video. Then come back. Let's discuss. Hey, it came as a shocker. Like I was shocked seeing it. I was thinking, oh, this man has won. He has won the battle. I never knew that Ghanaians would just come out. God is in control. Everything that we do, God is watching. So God came through for Ghanaians. And I'm super excited. Oh yeah, I'm a Nigerian though, but I'm super excited. Bro says I'm excited. I wouldn't lie. Godwin, hello. Godwin, please, where are you streaming? Where are you watching from? It says streaming. Like I'm the one streaming, so I should ask you where you're watching from, right? So where are you watching from? Where are you watching from, my feather? Please do well to like this live, okay? Do Blackson. Here you. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Is it blank song? Blank song. Hello, hi. I've been stressed lately, as you can see from my eye. You could look at my eye. I've been stressed, and I have some stuff coming out of my face. You see, I have my face. I don't really know what is going on. As you can see, and this one that you're seeing right here. Yesterday, I was I wasn't really myself, so I used my fingers. You see, I have long fingers. I used it to peel off my face without knowing that it was really becoming a sore. You see, so it was later I felt pain, and I felt pain much later, and it's become a sore. But I'm not gonna do that again. I'll just be careful with my face. So if you've not watched this very video, that yeah, before you join me, I know that you saw the topic already, and that's what brought you here. So I just want to let you know that if you've not watched the video, go on my channel and watch the video, then come back, let's discuss. If you are a Ghanaian, if you are a Nigerian, go and watch. And if you want to really know, despite, okay, let's just say, even if you are not in Nigerian or Ghanaian, you can go and watch the video. You can also, say your opinion, what you think about the very video, right? So I told you guys that I don't usually have time to respond to each and every one of your messages, I mean your comment. So I come on live once in a while just to respond to you and to have a conversation with you. And I'm planning, yes, for sure, I'm planning to opening a WhatsApp chat. I want us to have a WhatsApp chat so we can be having our discussion. Yeah, we can be talking there. So whatever is happening, or if you have a video you want to recommend for me to react or to say one or two things about it. As an analyst that I am, I'm here for you. So that's the main reason why the purpose of me wanna having the WhatsApp group. I mean, yeah, I saw your videos packing up Ghanaians. Yes, I was packing up seriously, but I'm not going anymore. People were like, "How much is your wardrobe? How much is your bed frame? How much is your mattress?" Oh my god, I'm not going no more. I'm not going. You guys showed me love, like the kind of love you guys showed me that very day. I got calls from my brother and home. They were calling like, "Dale, please don't go." I shouldn't go. I should not go. I should stay. Ghanaians love me. They love me. They'll protect me. Nothing will happen. But seriously, guys, it was really disastrous. What I mean is that I was very scared. The issue is not before here. I was scared. I was really, really scared about the protest because I know I'm a good person. I don't deserve to be humiliated because of some certain set of people, I've not done anything bad to any Ghanaian or Ghanaians. I've never gone like go against the Ghanaian law. So don't I deserve to live peacefully in Ghana? I do. Please, guys, just like the video, okay? Like this live, like it in order for YouTube to recommend the live to other people. I don't know if they do that here though, but on TikTok they always say that. So I don't know, but yeah, I'm still learning. Yeah. So I'm not going anymore, okay, Duke? I'm not going anymore. I'm here with y'all. I'm here with you all. I'm here with you all. So Duke, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. And Godwin, you asked a question. I didn't answer your way. I intentionally did not answer that question, but let me do that right away. So Godwin is asking. Godwin Mentor is asking that are you a single? Okay. I just read exactly how he put it. Are you a single? Godwin, I am single, but I'm not searching. Okay, I'm single but not searching. I hope I've answered your question. If one is married, that's when he's either single or married. So you choose one. So I'm single. I'm not married, so I'm single, but I'm not searching. I'm sorry. Uh, so what do you guys think about the Igbo king? What do you think about it? If you've not watched the video, go and watch the video. Then come back. Let's discuss. Okay. The latest video, the call, latest. Go watch it right now, and I'm here waiting for you. Okay, I think I should read some comments here under a video. So, what do you also think about? What is it called? This video I posted. Five Nigerians were arrested, right, for robbery and raping, for robbing and raping in Ghana. So what do you think about that also? So I saw this comment. Somebody said Mahama betrayed us Ghanaians, but we won't bow down. It doesn't matter how amount he take from. Okay, how much? That's what he's trying to say. Wait, I'm just reading directly from how he said it. It doesn't matter how much he took, but he said he take a bit from that man. He took from that man and Nigerians, that all Nigerians should be deported. Yeah, I'm just trying to read it out in a way you guys understand. But if I follow up what he said, then his English wasn't really making sense like that. But his sentence, he omitted some words, but it's fine. It's fine. But I think I should go to the comment. I'm sorry. I'll just go to the commentary coming from this very video we are discussing about. Let's see. I'm here, okay? I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Go watch the video, okay? Go watch this very video. You saw the title of my live. That's the last video on my channel. Go watch the video. But I just wanna do something right now. Come in. I'm here, guys. I'm here, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to look for that very video, okay? So I can read the comment under it. Uh, oh, wow. I have like 22 comments. 22. So the very first comment there said, shame to fake. Yeah. He wanted to say shame on fake Igbo king, right? I don't know why. You guys kept correcting me that king is king. All right. So the second person, King Fabulous, hey, he was the one who said shame to fake Igbo king. Then Malia said, God is great. Well done, Ghanaian youth. So you guys did a great job, though. I won't lie. Ghanaian youth, I did a great job. I mean, yeah. So Rebecca said, the power of small and common Ghana bring you down. Okay, that power, you guys got grace. God got you. God got you, Ghanaians. I want to like, God is with you all the time. The Lord is with you. I respect that. And Sandel said, um, God heard the cry of the innocent Ghanaian youth. Iboking my foot. Shoo, shoo, sha, sha, sha. Shoo, shoo, sha, sha, sha. And the black girl said, God is in Ghana. Nigerians don't play. If you Nigerians don't play. If not, you will get it the hard way. Yeah. So the next person said, I will not be calling names. I'm just reading out the commentary for you. We are with you in the good work you are doing. Watching from Germany. Okay, the person is appreciating me. Okay. Thank you, Isaac Cantor. Cantor. Hey, I don't even know how to pronounce his name. I beg you. So somebody says, is it Zula 2? Zula 2 Shaibo, right? He said, hey there, la. What did I do wrong, Zula 2? Why you say hey there, la? Hmm? Why? The next person in it said, didn't the Nigerian ambassador know about all this information? That's a great question. I don't know if the Nigerian ambassador is aware of all this information that was being disclosed today, because those information are very, 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 wow, like, shit, 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 shit. It didn't really come well for this Igbo king. Yeah, it didn't really come well for him. I don't know how he's going to respond to this very video that just surfaced today. So you are the kind of people we want. Okay, so why? What kind of person I am, and why do you want me? Where do you want me? Yeah. So the next person said, "You are a very beautiful lady. I watching you live in London. Thank you, Prince. Thanks for the compliment. I appreciate it. Okay. Then the next person said, we thank the Nigerian community for your assistance. If Ghanaians have not lumped all of you would have come out. Okay. What took you so long? We appreciate your effort now. Okay, he was asking the guy what took him so long. He would have come out and say all of this long time like before now. But we thank God that he came out. What is really important is that he came out and he said what he had to say. Okay, and Amina said, "Sister, hi Amina, how you doing?" Is a Nigerian ambassador aware? I don't know why she gets repeating this. I'm not. I don't know if he's aware or not. I don't know if Nigerian ambassador is aware or not, ma'am. Okay, I asked of his name, so somebody now answered me that. Sadiku Oluwafemi, hi, how you doing, Sadiq? Yeah. So somebody said that we won't give up until he and his and his people are deported back to face Tinubu. I saw how some of you Nigerians were basically crying when Ghanaians started Nigeria must go because of the evils, which really broke my heart because we start it will be hard for us to differentiate who, okay, if we started it will be hard for us to differentiate who is Igbo, Yoruba or Hausa, but for now our attention is on the man. Okay, it's for the main cause of this havoc to return back to his beloved Igbo land. They are having meetings with the leaders of the demonstration now to set a new date. More attention will be on the 419 Igbo king and his cousin criminal. Hey, so we are safe now. All Nigerians will be safe from all of this. Oh my God, now their focus, Ghanaian focus will be on just the Igbo king. Wow. Wow. For all I'm concerned, he went against the rules of Ghana. He's saying if you are doing this, you face the law. But he is the one, he started it by lying because they asked him not to go ahead, being like crowning himself a king. But he went ahead. So what does that mean? He's not the first person to go against the rules. So how sure are you guys that he's not even guilty of all those allegations, or should I say accusations that people are laying on him. This kind of thing, I don't like to hear such thing. I'm in Ghana to have my peace. Like, I ran from Nigeria to come have my peace of mind in Ghana, and they are still running from Nigeria coming here to interrupt my peace. What's the meaning of that? So that was the reason. That's the main reason why I started packing my bags and I'm going back to Nigeria, because I know when all of this starts, they don't care if you are Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa. Like, even the Igbos, some of them are not guilty of all of this. And when you watch the video, just go directly to my channel right now. Watch the last video I posted about this very Igbo king. I'm calling him the Igbo king, right? Because that's what most people know him as, okay? So the next one said the man doesn't want to go to Nigeria again. He wants to be a Ghanaian by force. All right. Everybody want to be a Ghanaian. Yeah, truth be told, every Nigerian would love to be a Ghanaian, and that's because of your peaceful nature. Like, you guys are peaceful. Ghana is peaceful. So who wouldn't want to be part of you guys? But the problem is that when they come, they should be law abide. They should abide the law. They should go by the rules and regulations of this very land. But they are going against Ghanaians. You guys love us, Ghanaians. You love us so much. But I don't know why we are coming here and doing what you guys don't want. So how would you be expecting someone who you are here doing all manners of negative stuff to love you after accepting you, embracing you? You know, some of us Nigerians, Ghanaians give us, they gave us free accommodation. Yes, there's one guy, I think his name is Christ in me also. A Ghanaian, they accepted him, they gave him free accommodation ever since he stepped his foot into Ghana. He's staying free. Who gave him accommodation? A Ghanaian. And from nowhere, somebody will just come. You've already made your money, you this Igbo king. You've already made your money. You made your money already. So allow us. Money is not our problem. We don't care. The little we have, we are okay with it. What you should do is to... Oh my God, I'm having headache, guys. What you should do... I'm having headache. It's very annoying. I didn't really have enough sleep. And they came out, they were saying blah blah blah. Everybody is doing things to his own interest. Everybody will just come out and say this is da. I haven't heard that he sues what is it called? And Doctor is it Honorable Hassan Ayariga, that he sues him. Is he sue or whatever? Why would you do that? Bobby, nice seeing you again. Thank you so much, Bobby. I'm just trying to tackle some, issues going on here in Ghana between Ghanaians and Nigerians, and that issue is giving me headache. As you can see, like, I've been having a sleepless night, just trying to tackle all of this. This isn't a good feelings. Like, it's not giving me a good feelings at all. But we thank God that God has shown up. God has shown up. Yeah, let me say it correctly. God has shown up. He will never let us down. God will never let us down. That's one thing for sure that I know. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go. I'll go soon, because I think my face is not even looking nice at all. Point with me when I'm worried about something. When I'm worried about something, it shows on my face. It shows. I have nothing to hide. But we thank God that everything is now coming out, and he wouldn't deny the fact that he wasn't warned 2012 before he gave himself the title. He was warned. They warned him. They even wrote a letter that, oh my God, they don't know him. They denied him since 2012. Balabash, what is going on in Africa? It's just the most was going between Ghanaian and Nigerians, but it's not Nigerian, it's not Ghanaian fault. So the person that brought all this issue is this very so-called Igbo king. He was the one that brought all this issue. This very man crowned himself king in Ghana, king of Igbos in Ghana. He crowned himself because according to the information we got today, they said they don't know him. They denied him since 2012. So now he has been exposed. Exposed. Buluk buluk balak bala. He has been exposed. Balak buluk buluk buluk. Those people that are supporting him. I wonder where you go and start hiding your face now. Yeah, I cannot wait for him to come out and defend this should I, what will I even say? You're working my foot. So that's what is going on. That very man, one man, bringing confusion between Ghanaians and Nigerians. We are living peacefully because you have money. You know, Igbo, let me not even call Igbo, some Igbo people, when they have money, they will love to be given title. I don't know why they value titleship. I don't know why they love to be, to carry their shoulder up. They'll be carrying their shoulder up like this because you get small money. You want to be given title. Then everybody will be given title now in Igbo land. So they said that EZE NDIGBO, right? That name is not supposed to leave Nigeria, like the soil, the Igbo soil. That name you're not supposed to leave. So now they told them from the initial that no, that EZE NDIGBO, if you want to bear that name, you have to be a king in Nigeria, not outside Nigeria. They made it known to them now. Made it known to them. You are not to bear that EZE NDIGBO abroad. If you want to hold that title, EZE NDIGBO, you have to be in Nigeria. They have to crown you in Nigeria, not in the diaspora. So I don't know what he's going to use now. I don't know. Ghanaians want him out of Ghana. Thank God. We are safe now. We are safe. Oh, we are safe now. We are safe. Nigerians and all the good Igbos and, you guys are safe. Because right now, they are planning on protesting again. They are planning on putting a new date for protest. This time around, I will join. I will join the protest this time around because we are free. We want him out of Ghana. I'm in support of that. Yes, we want Africa to come together. That's the reason why we are not going to send everybody. We are not sending everybody out of Ghana. I'm not saying Igbo. Did you hear me very well? Actually, carrying there. Yeah. Okay. I said some. I did not say all Igbos. I said some. I cannot say some Nigerians. I cannot say some Nigerians. I said some Igbos love to carry their shoulder up because of titleship. When you get small money, you want to be given title. Hey, Nati Chinedu. Did you hear me well? Nati? Did you hear me well at all? I didn't say all Igbos. I said some Igbos. Is the EZE NDIGBO? It's not from Igbo. But I didn't say all Igbos. I said some Igbos. Please, don't come and be provoking me here. Don't come and provoking me here. Look at what this man gave me, sleepless nights. Look at all this. I'm even chopping my face with my finger because of this man. So what do you want me to call him? Do you want me to say some Hausas or some Yorubas? Is Jude, Mr. Jude, that's his name. Is he Hausa or Yoruba? It's high time we start bringing everybody out by his what should I say, tribe. Yes, if this person is Igbo, we'll say this Igbo man. If this person is, we'll say this Hausa man. But if you go against the law here, we'll start bringing from your name, we shall know you. That's what we'll start doing here. That's what we'll start doing here. I'm here talking, you are here telling me what I do not know. Did you know the trauma this issue caused me? You don't know. Look at my eye. I'm yet to recover from it. And you are there telling me, sister, stop saying Igbo people. I'm not saying Igbo people. I said some Igbos. Some Igbos love to carry their shoulder. Who among the three ethnicities in Nigeria love to carry their shoulder? Who? Tell me. Who love titleship? Who love it? Forget that kind of thing, no. Chinedu, so I'm not calling them all Igbos. I said some Igbos. Some Igbos. This very man we're talking about, the Jude, he's Igbo. So I just want to be nice by saying some Igbos. Like you are here telling me, please, I have to call Igbo. I have to call because the man is Igbo. The man in person is Igbo. But I can't generalize everything on all Igbos. I'm here to give out the good news that they are not gonna send all the Nigerians out of Ghana again, but they're gonna send just the Igbo king. When you guys were calling him Igbo, you don't know. We are aware now. Just go check the video I have on my channel right now. Go check it out. We are very much aware now that he was not supported. Like that titleship he crowned himself king by himself with some group of other Igbos. Some of the Igbos are not even aware of it. They've removed their hands. Later now, it's out. So I'm talking on behalf, not just for myself or Yoruba because I'm Hausa or whatever. I'm talking on behalf of Nigerians, the innocent Nigerians in Ghana. Yeah, look at my face. I've been having a sleepless night. I think it's looking better now. Before it was like this. It's looking better now. Yes, I've been having sleepless night because of this Igbo king something. Because I was in fear. Where would I run to? Where? I can never go back to Nigeria and live again. That's the reality. Bro, sis, I won't lie. So that's what happened to my face because I've been having a sleepless night. The foreigners are coming to steal everything from everything. Come together. Yeah, I'm so sorry. But now, the real what is going on right now is that they are not sending all Nigerians away, but that very person, Ghanaians are trying to let us know that if you are the reason behind, something, they're going to punish just you and leave the remaining people, right? So that's why I'm out here to tell you guys the good news. It's not going to affect Nigerians anymore. Rather, it's just going to affect that very person that brought the commotion. Some Nigerians are not helping by gaslighting Ghanaians. Yeah, all those people, they don't have sense now. They don't have sense. Nigerians that have sense, they will not say shit about Ghanaians, okay? So don't mind those people. They're just making out online. Okay, Nati. All right, all right, all right. Thank you so much for understanding, all right? We are in Ghana. We are the ones that thing hit us bad. I swear to God. You're right there. Yeah, yeah. Mohammed. Sometimes Africa wants to be like the colonizers so bad. But our lands are power. Okay, if we get able to try it all. Other things, we are all Africans. Yeah, we are all Africans. That's why they want to kick him out. Just that very person that went against the law of Ghana, they will kick just him out and leave the innocent, yes, innocent Nigerians. That's just what we want. I've been waiting for this very moment for a very long time. Thank God it's come. Let's see. Please don't continue to argue with him. Maybe he don't get you right. Yes, he understood now. I'm glad that he understood. Okay. Yeah, I will come and take you to Hamburg. Hamburg. Where is Hamburg? Is it in South Africa? Yeah, come take me now. What is your page name? This very page, The Last World. Go check the video, The Last World. Let me show you. So this is my page. I don't know. Why is it showing that way? Or from there, are you seeing it well? That's my page, okay? FBA here. It's FBA. Hello. Traditional rulers abolished this. Yes, since 2012. The news came out today. That's why I'm here to, give Nigerians the good news that we are not part of these things again. No, nothing is going to affect us. That very one person, that very one person will suffer for the crime he has committed. No Nigerian, no Igbo, no Yoruba, no Hausa will be, but just that very person. He'll be punished. Ghana is the place to be. Yeah, Ghana is a beautiful place and we want to be here. I will fight to be here. I'll fight to be in Ghana. Ghana is peaceful. I won't lie. Hussaini, hello Hussaini. Foreigners and ECOWAS citizens in Ghana should do their resident permit because the time is coming. Government will fish out illegal. Yes, I will also encourage that all foreigners should do their resident permit. Do your resident permit. So do your resident permit because very soon after this Igbo King Wahala, Ghanaian government will get into work by fishing those people that do not have resident permit. Yeah, they'll fish them out and send them back to Nigeria, which is the right thing to do. I'm not against that. So let's go and make our resident permit, okay? Lolo 088. What's up? How are you doing? Hamburg. You want to carry me to Hamburg? It's in Germany. Oh, yeah, he's in Germany. I don't know now. Where are you from? Jim from. You want to come carry me to Germany? I would love to go to Germany, but I would not love to leave. I would love to visit and return back to my lovely Africa. I love Africa. I love Africa. I will just visit and return back. Oh, you are from Ghana. All right. Guys, please go watch the video. Go watch this very video. How they open this man yansh. They open the yansh wakata like this. They open the yansh. Go and watch the video and share. Share that video. Kasala don't bust for this man. They don't know. They don't know. This is the video. Let me cover my money. This is the video. The video is in 955. I posted it 2 hours ago. 955. Go and watch the video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Yeah, this channel, I talk about African American. Let me start with, you guys are very important. That's the reason why I call you guys first. Yes, I talk about African American, sharing their experience in Ghana. I also talk about Ghana, Nigeria, and all other African countries. But for now, I will only talk about Africans that come to Ghana. Yeah, those people from African countries visiting Ghana. I also talk about white people who are coming and saying good things about our lovely Africa, because people really have to know that what they are thinking about Africa to be is not what it is. That's the reality. That's the reality of it. So I talk about African America, I talk about Nigeria, Ghana, and other African countries, okay? So you're welcome to this very channel. I hope you're going to stick to it, okay? So do well to just go right here, this very channel you're watching me from. Subscribe to the channel and watch that very last video I posted a while ago. Yeah, then you can come back and ask questions, okay? Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, we are one big family. And also do well to press the notification bell, okay? In order to be the first to get any video I post. Better I say why. So, Obusiafo. Okay, you're asking that what is wrong? Who is this? Chukwudi. I don't even know. Madua Nusi. I don't even know. Oh my God. Chukwudi. So nothing is wrong. Him building a kingdom in Ghana, right? A village in Ghana. Nothing is wrong. So you think if you have money, you can go to any country and build whatever you want to build. Or you go to US now. If you think say you get money, go to USA and build a village. Go and build. Go to USA and build. If you can build a village in USA, then it will be accepted here. Nobody is stopping him from building companies, hospitals. Yeah, it will be private hospitals, I would say, but nobody is stopping him. But building a kingdom, a village, and by the way, he has debunked that already. He opened his mouth to say it, but right now he said that was since like 2012, right? That's when he said it. But somebody even commented on one of my videos. The person said that he repeated the same thing in 2018. And 2018 is just, when was 2018? They repeated the same statement. So this man, he has done so many things. He implicated himself, and people have facts, everything already. But me, the reason why I'm here, I'm very happy. I'm super duper happy because they're not going to send Nigerians away again, but rather their focus will be on just the Igbo king. That's my happiness right now. And that's why I'm here, to let my fellow Nigerians know that this is the latest. Yeah, I asked you a question. I asked a question. I asked you a question. Okay, you asked me a question. But I answered your question. You cannot build a kingdom here. Everybody have his own rules. Nigeria will not allow you to build a kingdom. If you're a Ghanaian, you can never. Okay, you asked me the question. Let me also ask you a question. Would they allow a Ghanaian to build a kingdom just for Ghanaians in Nigeria? Let me be specific, in Igbo land. It's not possible. Even you, the Igbos, you testify with your mouth. There are videos all over the internet. They came out, they said it. It will not be allowed. So why should they allow him? Why should they allow him build a village that would just be for Igbo people? And there was news I saw in some videos like that. The guy was like, I don't know if it's a guy or a girl. I think it's a guy. He was talking about Chinese, right? That Chinese people, they opened a school and a supermarket that is meant for Chinese people. Like, just Chinese can patronize. Chinese can go to the school. Chinese can patronize the supermarket. What did they do to them in Nigeria? They shut it down. They shut it down. So you can imagine a Ghanaian going there. Is it possible? Is it going to happen? No. That's because the government don't accept that. They don't accept that. So what makes you think that something that is not acceptable in Nigeria should be accepted or will be accepted here in Ghana? Do you think they don't have laws? They also have laws that governs them. So what are you saying? Okay, so my name in a way means redeemer. I gave myself that name even before I knew that it was an Ewe name. So I got this name, this Dela name from, my name is Delphina, right? So I removed the D-E-L, then the A, I don't want to make it look like Delhi, you know, because my daddy's name is Yashim, so Y-A-S-H-I-M. So I removed the first letter. Yes, the first letter, that's A, and Y, I mean. I removed the first letter, Y. Then I used the A. So that's how come the A, I joined the A to the Del. That's what made it Della. Then I made it Della's World. I never knew that you guys have a name, like an Ewe name, Della. It's just a coincidence, and it clicked. And people are saying that I look like Ewe. How true is that? Thank you, Redeemer. I know. So many people have told me already. Thanks so much for, letting me know again. I like people who speak the truth. Thank you so much, Rashid. So it depends. Chukwudi, it depends, right? Okay, let's just say you own a land. It's not the same thing that happened when I will not even make that illustration. It's not the same thing that happened. Okay, let's take a look at these Fulani people. Fulani are not Nigerians, right? They came from other countries. So when they came, they gave them lands. What is happening now? What is happening now in Nigeria? They gave them land. Now they are claiming the lands, right? They're claiming the lands. They're not just claiming the lands. They are doing all manners of stuff. So every country is trying to avoid that. All these things that Fulanis are doing in Nigeria, it can come from any tribe. See, you've not seen authority, like you've not seen, if you see the opportunity to do it, I swear to God, you're going to do it. I swear to God, you're going to do it. That's why sometimes I don't blame presidents, because it's not good to sit, it's not easy to sit on that chair. Some of them will come and be saying, I will do this, I will bring electricity, I will do that, blah, blah, blah. But when they sit on that chair, everything change. Sometimes it's not their fault. It's like there's a spirit that is on that chair. When you sit there, it will just wash your brain. You forget everything that you've said. It's not easy. Oh, you don't think so? What is it that you don't think? Let me know. I want you to elaborate. Tell me more, okay? Just say it in a sentence so that I'll read it out and we'll share our thoughts. Thank you. I'm not saying I know everything. I'm here so we can rub minds. So I'm learning, you are learning. Go and build Nigeria. You are living there. Who will build your country for you? Look at this guy. Who should go and build Nigeria? When men, Nigerian men, are not building the country. I'm a woman. I should go. Have you ever seen a woman becoming a president like in Nigeria? You've not seen a woman who becomes the president in Nigeria. So don't tell me to go and build. I should go and build. Any day a woman will become a president in Nigeria, then you can tell me to go and build Nigeria. But for now, you don't have right to tell me that. What if I'm married to a Ghanaian? Would you ask me to go and build Nigeria? Look at this guy, Kojo Williams. I'm very disappointed. Have you gone through my channel and see what I'm doing? If you go, then you don't have to come out and split all these things here to me. Go to my channel and see what I do. Then you come and apologize to me. Please don't do that, okay? I'm good, Maz. Maz Baba too, I'm good. Thank you so much for checking up. I'm in your country taking pictures. See, where are you? I will come to your house. Hey, give me the address of your house. I will come. Let me see what you will do to me. Look at this guy, who. Kojo, if you like say you don't get you, they meant. You're not all right. I bet let me not even mind people like you. You didn't say I get time for people like you. I don't have time for you, okay? All right, I want you to tell me more, okay? Chikude, I want you to tell me more. Come and catch me that day. Look at this guy. This guy. Jesus. I will ignore him. Thank you. Thank you. Shannon, thank you. I will not mind him. I don't forget, see, we have nuisance like that. I will not mind him. Ah, and they ask you. Ask me, oh, my brother. Intellectual. Ask me, oh. Have they ever seen a woman? If that very day a woman will become a president in Nigeria, then he can come and ask me to go and build Nigeria. But for now, he should not ask me to go and build Nigeria. No. Now the truth be that now. Ask me, oh, why is he here threatening me that he's going to beat me? He should send me his address. I will go to his house. Then I will say, Kojo, beat me. Beat me. You have to beat me. If not, I will leave. I will not leave your house. I will sleep here. You have to beat me. It's either he beats me or I beat him. Okay, one of the ways to be well organized is like such village institutions. Okay, I'm still here trying to understand. You can keep talking so I can understand. Okay, Chikode. I will not mind him, Lolo. I will not mind him, Lolo. I will not mind him. He's not serious. I'm not gonna mind him again. I wish I can block his ass. Let me see if I can be able to block his ass. I don't need people like this on my page. Let me see if I can block him. I can't block him. I can only report. And then let me not report him. Pin message. I'm not pinning your message, fucking bro. I was just. I don't know. How are you doing? Forget about that product of one night stand. Kojo is not Ghanaian. Okay. I've heard you, Osman. So thank you so much. People like you do make me smile. You are the reason why I'm still in Ghana up to now. If not, you are so pretty. You come to Thailand and I take care of you. No time. Okay, I should come to Thailand, then you take care of me. Get my papers, bro. I will fly to Thailand, booba. But I just want to let you know something. I'm not gonna live in Thailand. I can only visit and return back. My dreams is not to live like abroad, like outside. Nah, I want to live in this continent. You see, Africa, we are blessed. If that guy asks me to, leave, like stay in Africa, I should go back to Africa. Like if he sees me abroad in white man land and he said, go back to Africa, go back and build Africa, then I will be like, okay, I'm coming back to build Africa. But telling me to go back to Nigeria and build Nigeria, you don't love me. Tell how ECG said they would take light for hours only for them to disappoint. Hey, ECG disappointed us. So even me, I charge my phone. I have 3 phones, plus this one. Hey, I charge phone, but these people not off light till today. Look at lights now. Sometimes I pity Nigerians when it comes to electricity. Let me not say Dick and Harry. Every president will come out and be like, hey, I'm going to give you guys lights, I'm going to do this. Then they will just come and close their mouth and wipe out. Everybody in Nigeria, everybody will just come and take his national cake, his own share of the national cake, and zoom off. Yeah, so it's true. ECG, they said they gave us, they notify everybody as usual. They do that when they are taking lights in this area. They notify, they let you know that they will take lights for 2 hours, 3 hours, blah blah blah, and all. So they gave us notification that they are going to, there's gonna be lights off until today. They not blink the light. They not so they surprised us though. Yeah. So they are not. Should I say they are not organized, or is to our favor? They are organized though. They just said, let me just allow these people be. Yeah, let me just take it away. That's just it. Sure thing. I live in America and Thailand throughout the year. 3 months Thailand, 9 months America. Okay. So where are you from? Are you from Thailand? We are one people, just below abiding, and you should be fine. I have a brother who has been in Nigeria for over 40 years, and he is okay because he's been a lot. Yeah, Ghanaians, you guys, you're law abiding. No, I've never seen calm, relaxed, and obedient people like Ghanaians. Yeah, I see the Hausas or should I say, I see us, we from the north. I see us in Ghanaians. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I see us in Ghanaians. Even me, I'm lousy. I'm loud compared to the normal Hausa people. I'm not really Hausa. My tribe is not Hausa. We have our tribes, but when they are talking about the 3 ethnicity in Nigeria, the Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba, then I have to. I'm Hausa, right? So you have to be law abiding if you want to live peacefully in Ghana. Be law abiding. You have a nice mouth. Hello from California. Thank you. I get comments from people liking my lips, my mouth. Why do you like my mouth? Let me ask Victor. Victor, why do you like my mouth? I have to go get some biscuit. I think my eye is still on it. Oh, my eye is still on. Let me just go get some biscuit, okay? I have some here, but I've eaten everything. So Victor, tell me, why do you love my mouth? Beautiful lips. So why do you like the lips? What are you gonna use the lips for? Let me know. Naughty. Let me grab some biscuit, okay? Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I'm coming. Just give me like a second. I have I believe in you. So guys, I did not only pick up my the biscuit, but I got some ice cream. The ice cream is very, very cold. You see? Oh, it's yogurt, okay? It's very, very cold, you see? So I have to use towel. to wrap it. And here is the biscuit. I love ginger. You see, ginger magic. So let's see. Let's see people that responded. They are enticing. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much, enticing. You are the one. I'm bringing all the Nigerians in Ghana. Kojo, you are serious. You are sick. That's good. So Kojo, I'm dangerous than the Igbo chief. Me, Delphina, me dangerous than him. Okay, I've heard you. It's not better that have I ever sent transport to anybody to come to Ghana? I've never sent transport to anybody to come to Ghana or begging. I'm just telling them how beautiful Ghana is. It's their choice. I've never said come to Ghana and leave. Come and visit and go. If you want to leave, then be law abiding, right? You're asking the recent video about 5 Nigerians arrested in Ghana brought me to your channel. Okay, thank you so much. Are you a Ghanaian? Sure. Are you a Ghanaian? So I'm worse than the Igbo chief. Yeah, I don't know. I'm worse than him. Okay, so the video about the 5 Nigerians arrested for robbery and raping in Ghana, right? That video was 2019, but I was surprised I didn't see it. I've never seen the video. Now Ghanaians are digging out videos. They are digging it out, like digging out, because of the way Nigerians were mocking them. So they were digging out old videos, bringing it out, because Nigerians are good people. Nigerians are not the one. Ghanaians are bad also. Nigerians are the ones committing. Nigerians are not the only one committing crime in Ghana. So now Ghanaians are digging it out for them to see the proof that, yeah, so many Nigerians have involved themselves. Yes, they've been doing, and up to now, they are doing it. They don't want to stop, and that's what's making Ghanaians angry. Yeah. The world is at move, and it's not like what is certain. For example, the United States is revising citizenship policies. Oh shit! It's high time for people to start, like our African brothers and sisters abroad. Start thinking on how to come back and establish yourself in Africa. There's something. Sometimes I ask myself, I be like, Dell, what is it in Africa that all these white people are coming? If there's nothing in Africa, Chinese man will never come to Africa. They'll be running away from Africa. But we have something good in this Africa where you see. That's why they are trooping in every day. They are coming, they are establishing businesses and all. So why can't you also come? So my advice for our brothers and sisters abroad, like black man, if you get black skin and you're abroad, start thinking of how. Start organizing yourself. Maybe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, 10 years time, come back to Africa and establish something that will benefit us here. That's just it. I don't look at the way South Africans are treating Nigerians and Zimbabweans as if they are not African countries. Look at, I bleed. I couldn't even react to the videos on my channel, but I will check them out. I'll check the video out so I can be able to air my opinion. It's bad. It is really sad that you even saw, like, a Nigerian guy was dead. He died. He was married to a South African. He died. And they were going to bury him or something. Do you know what happened? They refused. They said he can't be buried in their land, not in their burial ground. Okay, you are American. Oh, okay. You're American. Are you African American, white American, or where do you say you're from? Let me see. White American or Thailand American or Thai American? Hello, sister. How are you? I'm good, Frank. Yes, I'm a Ghanaian. Caleb, how you doing? Caleb, me, I do. Even today, the police have arrested 5 Nigerians for kidnapping. Hey! Kidnapping again. Please send me the video link. I beg, send me the video link, okay? These people that, oh my God. Please, one thing I'll tell Ghanaian police is that when they get them, they should say their names and where they are from. We have to start fishing everybody out according to your tribe. They will arrange you. We want people to know that Nigeria is very big. So blames cannot be pushed to just one, like the whole of Nigerian. No, you are wrong in your analysis. Okay, please tell me. I'm ready to learn, okay? I'm ready to learn. Tell me. My best friend is a Nigerian. Okay, good to know. We are Nigerians, we are good people. It's just that few of us are bad. See, the Nigerians back home, they are very good. Those ones that are very bad are the ones traveling around. Traveling around. Chigodi, please let me know. How would you analyze yours? Let me know, okay? I'm ready to learn. I'm open to learn. That's why I'm here. We are learning from each other, right? At least you and two of your sisters, like Ella, Chilaka, Lily Okene, and the others wanna ready to live with us here in Ghana and our motherland. Unfortunately, the male ones are bad. The male ones are bad. Even ladies are bad. How about those people bringing a shower? I haven't have a video. I'll post it tomorrow. I've reacted to it. A lady was sentenced to 10 years in prison with hard labor. Let's put jokes aside. Ghana and Nigerians are two inseparable. Yes, you are right. It's okay. You can never separate us. It's true. Yeah. People coming in with bad energies, they are the ones we don't like here. Yeah. Okay, you're Native American. All right, nice. Hope you subscribe to my channel, right? Subscribe, oh. Subscribe. I'm enjoying myself. Come and join me, guys. How do you guys look, Native Americans? How do you look? Oh man. Oh. Let me see. For 1 9 man. I'm trying to see how Native Americans look. Baby, let me take you to the top. I'm loving for you out until the morning comes. Every time I see your face, there's a special can be traced. Will you be my wife? You and me forever, baby. Girl, I'ma let you know you mean the world to me. Girl, never feel the way I feel with you before. Girl, don't ever leave me lonely. Without you, girl, my life is incomplete. You are the angel of my life. I love to sing too. Which Native American show? Mm. Mm. Thank you, Cartwell. That's right. Ayariga is one. I'm Native American. Okay, Native Americans by history are Indians. Like the Indians that I know, India. India that put something here. We Ghanaians are ready to cooperate with you. Mm. But many of our sisters and brothers are uncultured anyway, seeking to disturb our peace, trying to provoke us to chase them out. Why? Hmm. Get to you know, get to you later. All right. I don't know. I'm also fighting against that because they can't come and put sand inside our gari. We'll not let it happen. I'm here in Ghana because I want to have my peace. Guys, please excuse me just for a minute. Are we back? I had a call. I'm sorry, guys. I had a call. So, what were we discussing before my internet interrupted? What were we discussing? What were we discussing before the internet interrupted? What were we discussing, guys? I'm here taking my ice cream. Oh. The weather is kind of chilly here in Ghana. We're having a very great conversation earlier. Where are all those messages? Top fan Frankie Bay is the number one, number two, number. Okay. Let's see. I'm just trying to look for. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just trying to fix something here. I'll be right back, okay? Alright. Mm-hmm. Choo cha cha cha. Choo cha 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 cha. Okay. I'm just trying to look for the conversation. I can't find from you. I can't find it. I can't find all the comment, but you can if you are joining. If you are just joining, just let me know your name and where you're watching from. Also, do well to go to your go to my page and watch the last video I have on there. Then come back. Let's discuss. Guys, go to my channel, check the last video I posted. Then come back, let's discuss, okay? You can check the videos I posted today. Yes, I had um 3 videos today. You check the last 2 videos. The one that said comment, the one that said Ghana National Security officers arrested 5 Nigerians for robbery and raping in Ghana. Go check that video out, and likewise check this very video I'm about to read to you also. The Southeast traditional ruler abolished NDIGBO, NDIGBO, EZE, NDIGBO. They abolished him. Like, they came out to say what it is, like the real thing that happened 2012. He said he was crowned a king of Igbos in Ghana. Yes, and they came out today to say, I don't know why I'm talking like this. Let me be serious. They came out today to say that he's on his own because they warned him. They warned him. They wanted everyone to come together so they will make this thing like one, you know. But this man decided to go crown himself with his accomplice, yeah, because he's not the only one in it. Jude and his accomplice decided to go crown him, like he crowned himself as the NDIGBO in Ghana. So now everybody denied. They denied. They don't know anything. They came out with proof and everything. The proof was there. Go check my channel. Go check the last video I posted. The last very video if you want to see everything in details. They came out. So kindly tell me your name and where you are watching from. Guys, I think I'm just giving myself, maybe let me give myself um 8 minutes, then I go. 8 minutes. I'm giving myself 8 minutes here. And that's because nobody is conversing with me. I can't just sit like this without saying a word. Nobody, you guys are just coming. You're not saying anything. Let's discuss. Tell me your name and where you're watching from. Hello, can you guys hear me? Please kindly tell me your name and where you are watching from. Kindly tell me your name and where you're watching from. And according to the video, the title of this very video, what would you have to say about this EZE NDIGBO? We were having a very beautiful conversation earlier. I don't know where y'all gone. Where y'all gone to? I believe this 28 people I'm having right here. I don't think you are part of the first set of people that we are here. Because we're having a very beautiful conversation before my internet interrupted. Then I had a call. I had to finish up with a call before everything. What was it? I love yogurt. I love yogurt a lot. You can steal me with yogurt. I'm teaching you guys how to drink yogurt. I'm sorry today. My life, it's it looks it's boring. I know, right? Earlier it was bubbling. It was really bubbling. I had to go pick up some calls and now everyone is gone. So I think I'm going to end this live right now. Just go watch my videos, the ones I posted today, and you can go ahead and also watch other ones. Support your girl. Keep supporting me. I want to appreciate you all for, without you, I'll not be where I am today. So now we're at 16K, going to 17K subscribers. We are hoping and wishing very soon we're going to reach 20K. From 20, where our eyes will be on 50. From 50, our eyes will be on 100. From 100, our eyes will be on, it's not be on 200 or 150, it will be on 1 million. Yeah, so let's keep pushing and, I'll soon leave. Single, but I'm just here to share my gratitude, like to appreciate you all for, especially Ghanaian youth, for respecting, first of all, respecting your government. As they say, no protest. You guys didn't come out, you respected them. That's to show how beautiful you guys are, how kind you guys are, how reasonable you guys are. You listen to your government the same way your government listens to you. It's amazing. Like, there's nobody that would not envy, um, you know, what is happening in Ghana. You guys are just so amazing. You guys are good people. You guys are nice. Oh my God. If there's something more than amazing, that's what Ghanaians are. So for also deciding not to send all Nigerians away, rather you want to put your focus on just that very person with the crime. Yeah. Allegedly. Yeah. I appreciate you all for that because I was going through a lot. I went through a lot during this most vast thing happening between Nigerian and Ghanaians. Like, for those of you who watched that video that I was packing my stuff, getting ready to leave for Nigeria, to Nigeria, yeah. So a lot of Ghanaians reached out to me. They said, no, you should not go. I'm here for you. They called, both home and abroad. They called me. I felt so loved. I felt so good. I never knew I had a family who loves me like this. You guys made me feel loved. Some people even extend they stretch for their hands by sending money. Oh my God. They send money to me. Like, I felt so blessed. Yeah. They send me money. They said, Dale, you should go get some food stuff. Just be in the house. Don't go nowhere during the protest. Don't go nowhere. Stay. But this time around, I think I'm going to go out for this protest. You know why? Because they are not sending Nigerians away, rather they are against the Igbo gang. So I'm coming out. And those people that are saying they want to beat me up when they see me, because I'm part of those people that is making Nigerians come to Ghana because of the videos I do on the internet. Is selling Ghana a bad thing? I don't understand. Like me, I'm here sharing my experience, telling people how beautiful Ghana is, how amazing Ghana is, how amazing Ghanaians are. And someone will just come telling me that, Dale, you are the reason that I am worse. Let me just be specific on what he said, that I am even worse than the Igbo king, because I'm part of those people that is selling out Ghana, as I'm talking about Ghana and how good Ghana is, how amazing Ghanaians are, that I'm giving Nigerians reason why to come to Ghana. But I don't know, is that bad? If it's a bad thing, Ghanaians, let me know. Just let me know. If it is bad, let me know so I can back off. Like, I'm just kidding. This guy's comment will not make me back up from what I'm doing. You can't stop me from sharing my experience though. But then guys, my time is up. Okay, I even gave you guys Jara with 1 minute. Okay, so I have to go. We'll meet some other time. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you all. I have to go shower and sleep so I can be able to wake up much later and maybe shoot some videos. I have videos that are upcoming. Okay, a lady was sentenced, to for 10 years imprisonment. Yeah, a Nigerian lady. I'll post that video, and I also have some crimes video. I heard that they caught some Nigerian guys kidnapped in Ghana. I'm also going to talk about that video. So stay tuned and let's analyze videos together. I love you. Bye.